Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a fun one. I'm going to teach you guys how to make this super cute acetate bag. It is a shaker, you guys. Isn't that pretty? That's the Paige Evans like little sequins pack. And it has a zipper, a very functional one too. If I can grab it. Look at that. You guys, so fun. And this is super easy to make. Anybody can make it, and I'm going to show you how to make it today. So of course, you're going to need your piece of acetate, and you're going to cut it to whatever size you want. So I'm going to eyeball it because that's what I do. I'm going to make a smaller version today. So we're going to cut that, and then I'm actually going to do it the size of the zipper. So when I do attach it, okay, so maybe about like right here, a little bit more. So right there, I'm gonna cut this up. So you're gonna grab, make sure they're even. So this is my little, this is going to be my little bag right here. So I have two pieces of acetate, same size, whatever size you want. I make it the size of the zipper. Let me take this out of here. Then what you want to do is you want to stitch this way, and this way. Okay, and you're going to leave this part open so that you can fill your little purse up. So I'm going to stitch that up and be right back. Okay guys, once you have stitched your three sides, you should end up with kind of like a little bag without the stitching on this side. That looks like this. You fill that up with sequins. So I'm going to do that now. Find the rest of my little mix here. Pour that in there. Such a pretty mix. I'm gonna have a link down below if you guys want to check that out. So now I'm gonna stitch this up and be right back. So now you have your shaker piece done. As you can see, trying to move my sewing machine. What you're going to want to do now is get another piece of acetate and cut it just one sheet the same size of your shaker, because that's going to be our back piece of the bag. So we're going to do that and cut that. I'm going to go do that real quick and be right back. Okay guys, so I have my extra piece, which is the back of the bag, and I have my zipper right here. And what I do to keep my pieces in place, I add a little bit of my ATG tape right here so that I can have this placed right here and not move anywhere. And you guys, this is the way I do it. I'm sure there's tons of tutorials where they do it differently. This is what works for me. I like to do things easy and not take too much time. Some people don't have so much time to craft, so I like to make things easy and simple so that everyone feels like they can create these super popular Happy Mail that everyone creates. Then I take my other piece. Remember, I have a little bit of sticky adhesive on the zipper. And then what you want to do is you place it down. I lay it down straight ahead right there. And then it just kind of holds it in place so when I'm sewing it, it doesn't move. You see that? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stitch this and be right back. And once you have stitched your zipper down, as you can see, I have stitched it down. You want to stitch the rest of your bag all the way around. And then you have your completed bag. Is that not the easiest, you guys? This is like the fastest way that you can whip up a shaker little pouch with a zipper. So let me stitch all my three corners and show you guys the finished product. There you go, you guys. That is our shaker pouch. And you can fit your little goodies in here. You can send some little embellishments. You can put trim on it if you want. So many options. Look, you guys. Aren't they so cute? And super easy to make. Leave me a comment down below letting me know if you're going to try this, because this is going to be perfect to make little goodie bags for Christmas, for your pen pals. So that is it for this quick and easy tutorial. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.